Right, today we're showing you how to do surface mold in a beko 9kc 1400. So we're going to do, you're going to just turn it to cottons, but first you're going to have to hold the spin speed for 3 seconds. Then turn it to cottons. 1, 2, 3. Then it's lock the door and then it's go up to E. You're going to have to press it. 143.
Just going to pass this in the garden.
Yeah. So, and if you press it, sometimes you just see this. And then you're going to have to press start.
They've been as good as gold, apparently.
And it will tumble. The red, it's going to spin. Yeah.
See underneath.
Then 05 is going to tumble. Yeah, so as you can see, it is tumbling. And then if you press it again, it will go to 06. And that's when the machine is going to like that. So I don't want it to go on a fill, so I'm just going to stop it. So I don't want it to go on a fill, I'm going to stop it. But if you press it again, there's smoke on a fill, then press it again, pre-wash. Press it again, main wash, then come in and pre-wash. You know what I mean? I mean the softener. And then we got. And I can't even actually. So I'm just going to put another rope on here. So there it is. Beko. The surface mold beko. Then if the drain, if you press it again, then it just do the same. It's cool. So I'm going to put like another rope on here. So yes, see you.